Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I want to talk about National Express. It's a stock that I'm watching very carefully. If you want to get a share completely free, no cost to yourself, worth up to £100, go in the description below and click the link, create a Trading 212 account and they will give you a free share worth £100. That's all you have to do. Now, who are National Express? They are international transport company. They're in North America, UK, Germany, Spain, and Morocco. The first thing I do when I look at potential company to invest in, I look at the income statement. If you're not sure how to read income statements, please watch my beginner's guide to reading income statements. I'll link in the video in the description below. If we look at the income statement, they have been making profits for 3 years. The earnings growth is around 12%, which is really good. Then the next thing, if we look at the balance sheet, and if you're not sure how to read balance sheets, please watch my video on a beginner's guide to balance sheets. And they have a debt to asset ratio of 75%. Now it is fairly high, especially for a transport company, but they do have a large market share as well. Now the biggest issue with National Express currently is the coronavirus. If there's another surge or a second wave, then that's going to cause issues. Because it's a public transport company, people try and avoid public transport due to the coronavirus. However, it has every potential to come back, because obviously eventually people will have to go out, start going to work, start traveling, start using public transport. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch it carefully, and if it gets close to the £1 mark, currently it's at around £1.06. So 1.6, getting close to the £1 mark, I'm going to buy probably about 100 or 200 shares. It depends on what my chart analysis does. And if you're not sure how to analyze charts, I've done a whole series on chart analysis for beginners. So please watch that. Another thing I noticed about National Express, the dividend yield is around 2.88%, which is actually really healthy. Now you can potentially earn a free dividend growth stock. If you go in the description, click the link. A lot of my friends, they've got shares in companies that ended up with BP, Coca-Cola, and they're companies that pay dividends. So you're making money off a free stock. So definitely go do it. Also check out my Instagram. I post daily on there and I post my daily trades, how much I've made, how much I've lost, and what I'm trading in. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again in the next one.